Today's my fourth challenge, exploring a desert island in Africa. At first, everything was awesome. I caught a bunch of lobsters and conchs as big as my face. It felt like a seafood feast just for me, but the good times didn't last long. Danger came next. While looking for more lobsters, I got pricked by sea urchins about a dozen times. My legs swelled up right away, and before I could catch my breath, a shark started swimming towards me. What do I do next? Well, let's stay positive and keep going. To conserve energy, I won't be going out to sea during the day. I'll wait until night to go lobster hunting again. I tried fishing earlier in the afternoon but didn't catch anything. It just wasn't my day. Finally, it's dark, and I'm ready to dive in and see how many lobsters I can find. I'm swimming along, slowly exploring, and after a few minutes, I spot the first catch of the night, a red sea snail. I love these snails. After that, I noticed something big in the water, but when I went down to check, it was just a sea urchin. Well, better luck next time. Ooh.